Hey guys, welcome to Coding Plaza. Today we are going to discussing about Oracle order by class. So let's start the video. There are 7 ways we can able to use order by class in Oracle. So I will explain in this video all the ways how to use the order by class. So number 1 is sorting in ascending order. Number 2 is sorting in descending order. Number 3 is sorting by multiple columns. Number 4, sorting by expressions or calculated columns. Number 5, sorting by column index. Number 6, sorting with nulls first. Number 7, sorting with nulls last. Right? So now we'll go into exact video and we'll write the queries one by one. Okay. Yeah. Here I have created a table called employees. Right? See, here I have taken employee name as A to Z for suppose just for temporary data. Okay, for every employee having one salary and department has been allocated. So using this table, I am going to explain you the order by class in 7 different ways. Okay. So please don't skip the video anywhere. So please follow the video. Don't skip anywhere. Okay. First, the first point has a ascending order, right? So select star from employees, order by. So these are the class we are going to use. With order by, assume if I am giving the by the salary. So by default, ascending order will be allocated for the query if you are using order by. So if I am executing this, the query from ascending order, like from small to from down to top, it will go. Okay, small to higher value it will go like that only. Okay, even though if I am defining also same value will become. Right, 377259761012 like that it has been incremented, right? So same like this only. So the descending order also for that nothing to do, so that will not be predefined, that we have to write like this. So if you are giving DESC, then immediately the salary column has been changed to top to bottom, right? So the top value is 89453 8267 79499 73776 like that it came, right? So then coming to third point is sorting by multiple columns, right? So that I will show you once again for the points one by one. Yeah, here is the point that sorting by multiple columns, right? So I will show you an example on this. Yeah, for this I'm going to write a query at from employees order by salary AC, comma, order by employee name. Okay, order by department I will give. Okay, DPT name PSC, right? So if I am executing this, it will be got executed right now. So like this also we can able to use with multiple columns, multiple orders also we can able to, right? So this is the scenario where it will be available means. So there may be some such scenarios that one column should be in ascending order, one column should be in descending order, like that will be there. So at the situation, so we no need to write an inner query and we have to get the outside, and we should not know it align this much long work we don't need to do. Here itself with multiple columns, multiple orders, we can able to define in Oracle. Okay. So for suppose if I see employee ID wise, in department wise, I want employee IDs I have to get, as that is what the requirement, right? So simply I will give as employee ID in ascending order and department name in same I will give as descending order. Okay, let it be. So see here. So employee ID will be in ascending order, so that department names also came to ascending order, descending. So S is the last value, last name, right? So that's why it keeps. Okay, if I am giving this as ascending order, it will come as ascending. So employee ID will be in ascending order, right? It will be 0, 1 to 10. That's why it came like this. Or else I will make it first and I will make it second. DPT name, it's C. So what's that like this? I must go do it. Come on. Okay, see here. So department wise it came. So that first some of the employees they will not departments has been not allocated till now. So assume they are the new employees. So they are on the bench like that things. Okay. So that whatever the employees allocated department that will be in a descending order department and employee ID will be in ascending order. See here. Employee ID came in ascending order and department names in descending. Right. So this is what our example for the third point. Okay. Yeah, coming to fourth point, sorting by expressions or calculated columns, right? So, how to write this query, I will show you. Actually, sort by expression wise means, see, if you are using any expressions for the columns and order by should be coming in that as per that expression. For that, what we will do, I'll show you in this query. Employees. Okay, see, there will be a requirement that, see, so salary increment is there. For every person, I have to give into 3. Okay, every salary I have to make it into 3. So that salary I want to be order. So who has got more salary, who has got less salary? Okay, that I will show you. Right. Okay, employee name, comma, salary is one. I will give has last salary. I want to show the difference, right? Salary into 3. See, means I am going to give 3 times salary. So, current salary. Okay, this is what alias I have given from employees. So, into 3. So, this is what the means 3 by 45601 by 3 means into 3 means 1,36,000 or 3. Okay. So, in this one, in this order, there will be more than some people may cross lakh salary. Some people may be in the under lakh salary, means below 1 lakh like that. So now department wise, I want to show this means I want to order with the salary incremented. See here all are unordered, right? So now I am going to order this order by salary into 3 descending order. Okay, because I want to see the highest salary, right? See here. So this is what the highest salary. Actually here, if you want to get this output, means what we have to do, we have to write an inner query, we have to get it the value outside, then only we have to make it descending. That much worry not required. So we can able to decrease the lines by using this expression level outer by class. Right now. So I want to get the lowest salary after increment means simply I will get this sending order. So lowest salary after getting increment is 1,316. So this is what the expression for the expression wise expression level order by class. Okay, we'll move to next fifth point. Yes, the fifth one is that sorting by column index, right? So sorting by column index means whatever the column indexes you are running, like if I am taking as select employee name, employee ID from the employees table. So using that index means employee ID, employee name 1, 2. So with that index, I can able to sort the columns. I will show you how to do it. Here I am going to write that query. And so employers. So here I am going to take the name of employee name, comma, department name, comma, salary. So this is what the data I have taken. Here using indexes we can able to order. How means I will show you here. Order by, here you can see that employee name is 1, department name is 2, salary is 3, right? So I want to order this with the salary. Also I want to order with employee name. Okay. So employee name means first one, right? TES ascending order. So see from Z to X, Y, X, W like this it came. Right now, so with if I want to descending or make descending with 3 means salary. Okay, this when it will be useful means if you are using any aggregate operators like sum, average at the situations, it will be useful. That also I will show you aggregate operators in my playlist. It is not there. Soon I will record a video on that. I will put here. Okay, so salary, sum of salary. Okay, so I'm going to show it department wise. Okay. So department wise salary, I'm going to show you guys. Okay, I'm removing this order by class. So sum of salary. So I have to make it group by salary department. Then after group by, so that see. So null one will be there. Till now no employees has been allocated. The department will be there. So I can able to skip that. That next steps I will show you. So that business intra, so some of the salary claim. But I want to order this. How we have to order? So here sum is there, no? So simply how we will write order by salary. If you are writing, it will come. Not a group by function, it is coming, right? In this insert scenario, simply if you are giving this second index means it will come in order by. Yes, right. You can see infra, business, IT, sales. So from low to high. Okay. So if I want to give who has more, which department having much sales people means, then sales department having more sales. Right, no? So this is what the benefit with this index wise order by clicks. Yes, we'll move to next one. Next is 6 pointed sorting with nulls first. Okay, so this how it will be useful now. See, I will show you first data too. See here in the last query, we have data that we have segregated data with indexing, right? So sales, IT business, null is in fourth place, null is there. But as per requirement, which is having salary, so means that null should go at last. Like the requirement should be there. Null value should be lost, like that we have to filter it out. Okay. So at the situation, we have to write like simply nulls last. Okay. So if I am doing executing this, please see here it's in fourth position, right? So nulls last means it will go to last. Sorry, here order by here one role is there. See here, sum of salary is there. No, further in the index is in second position, right? So in the second position, there will not be null values. Okay, where which column having null values, that only you have to get in order by. Okay, so first column is in nulls. Then I am taking it as a C here, null went to last, right? No. So like this, we can able to use this. If you want to write the query, first onwards I will write that. Required actually. So video is going to length here. Okay. So another final last point is there that I've explained. Yeah. Now finally, we are going to explain that sorting with nulls last. Earlier we have explained as nulls first. Now, sorry, I think I have explained the nulls last. Okay. Now I am going to explain. Yeah. Nulls last already explained. Sorry for that. I have skipped that. Now nulls first means nothing but here simply you have to give null first means the null value which is in last, it will come to first. If you are not adding this, it will be in the normal order, descending. That's it. Nulls first means it will come to first order. So this is what I use. Okay. So if I am giving last means it will go to last. So as per reports, if you are generating any Excel report like that, so first you have to concentrate where the data is correctly is there. Then after you have to go to null values because we don't know the department which is allocated, right? So that we have to validate manually. So like these scenarios, the queries we have to write. Yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching only. Yeah. If you are having any doubts, please comment in comment section. Please subscribe and follow the channel. Like and share. Thank you guys.